Hello everyone, I have a new craft idea with UV resin and fresh leaf, and in this project I make some angels like this. My idea is going to hang them on my curtain and on my Christmas tree, and I have a few left that I'm going to make some decoration, and I have idea that I have a tall vase like this, and I'm going to hang the angel outside the vase like this, and I'm going to put some LED light inside the vase, and I'm have to find something to cover this battery box, but I want to show you how my idea look like. And in this video, I will show you how I start my project. And I know many of you already know how to use UV resin, but I just want to show you how I create the angel from UV resin and fresh leaf. Let's check out how I start this project.
Start by choosing the leaf. I choose the bay leaf because I have a plant at home. Cut off the stem and separate the leaves. Don't forget to clean the leaf before use. Place a piece of double-sided tape on a piece of a board. Then place the leaf on the tape right side down and make sure that the leaf is laying flat. In this project, I use Pearl X macro pigment powder to mix with the resin. You can also use glitter or other pigment, but use sparingly. Too much pigment may take longer time for the resin to cure. Apply the resin mix on the leaf, not too thick. Make sure that it covers all edges. Wait a few seconds to let the resin self-level and cure the leaves with UV lamp. When the first layer is cured, apply the second layer and cure it under the lamp. After the second layer is cured, separate the leaf from the tape. And here comes the fun part. Carefully peel off the resin from the leaf. It's so satisfying. The moisture from the leaf makes it easy to separate them. Put the resin leaf back onto the board with the side that touch the leaf upward. Then with a brush, apply a thin layer of resin and cure. You can apply more layer of resin. For me, 2 on top side and 1 on the underside. For this project, I make them in different size and different shape. Drill a hole on the top and the bottom of the leaves to create a chain link. Time to decorate the angels. This step is optional. I like to decorate my angel with blinks. I use the jewelry finding that I have at home. I have a lot of fun designing the angels, and none of them look the same. And these are some of my angel designs. Time to assemble the angels. I have two wing designs. The first design is to attach the wings on the back of the leaves using UV resin as glue. The second design, thread the wings on top of the leaves. To complete the angels, follow the step as shown. Now I have enough of the angels. I create 3 sizes, large, medium, and small. Time to link them together. You can use any finding you have or like. Assemble the chain link after your own design. For my designs, all the chain links are different size and length. To make it easier, lay the design in order before assemble the chain link. These are some of my designs.
So this is my craft idea with UV resin and fresh leaf project. I hope that you like my idea and like to create some of them yourself for Christmas decoration. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.